Grab a cup, nice and clear. Cooking time, friends are here. We'll make layers one by one. Slow and steady, learning's fun. Or action line, grown up what? What comes first? Yogurt! Cake spoon yogurt, soft and white. Down it goes, nice and tight. Stop and wait, don't rush through. Patience makes it yummy too. Wait, wait, wait your turn. Learning as we stir and learn. Layer, layer, look and see. Patterns make it fun for me. Yogurt, fruit, granola, crunch. That's our parfait. Munch, munch, munch. There! Aired fruit, red, yellow, blue. Round and juicy, me and you. What comes next? Let's recall. Patterns help us learn it all. What comes next? Granola. Sprinkle granola, crunch, crunch, crunch. Tiny sounds go munchy, munch. Now let's pause, wait just right. Good things come to those who wait. Dumbing hands in laps, eyes on me. Ate the waiting turns politely. Layer, layer, up and down. Patterns everywhere around. Yogurt, fruit, granola too. I can make it, I can do. There! Yogurt! Spoon it! Fruit! Drop it! Granola! Sprinkle! Feather! Complete! We made layers, we took turns. Watched and waited, now we've learned. Healthy snacks and patience too. Great job, chef! That means you!